Since Colton had so many negative impacts in his life, we as a team knew that he needed standards, rules, and goals set in place that were consistent between home and school, and not just having negative consequences for his actions every day. He needed repercussions that would teach him standards, rules, and goals, not just putting him secluded area from other students. He wasn't learning anything from that. He needed a positive light both at school and at home that he never saw. So the way children are rewarded or punished for a positive or negative choice, it affects their child's self-evaluation. We knew Colton needed a positive role model, and he needed those specific standards and goals in his life. And so for this, we came up with a behavior plan that was geared towards him. We focused on his biggest two areas for Colton, which was his physical response to events and his own self-evaluation. And then, so together we create a chart. And with him, I would discuss his positives that we were looking for and areas that we needed to work on for each activity throughout our day. And it had his happy faces and it had his sad faces. And we would review it when we started, we reviewed it before every switch. So before math, before recess, before restroom break. And other educators in the building were aware of our interventions, especially when it was more of a free choice. It was more of a relaxed setting like lunch and recess is when Colton had the most trouble. It wasn't as structured. So they knew our standards that we were setting for him, our rules and our goals for Colton. And we just went over it every day and making him have the most positive experience that he could have.